me and Lightning Bolt were very happy together. So happy that I took him to get ice cream. But it was very cold, so we had to make our own. He didn't eat so well since he doesn't have a mouth. But we enjoyed it. And then we played some games. And watched a little TV. Lightning Bolt was like... And then we went outside and played. Yay. And then I thought that Lightning Bolt needed a roommate, so... This is Kitty with the hat on. That's so cool. This is Lightning Bolt with the hat on. They enjoy time with me, but now it's time to give Lightning Bolt up and Kitty.
Wait a minute, we do have a picture.
Ooh, yay! I hope the people that get her are proud.
Don't cry, Kitty. Pause.
I'm not crying right now.
You don't.
Hello, cruel world! Here I come!
Friends, who's supposed to be sitting down?
I'm going to visit houses and go up chimneys.
Hey, can you tell us about this? Hopefully it'll open.
Oh! Well, that's me and Lightning Bolt at breakfast.
Friend, she's not done.
That's me and Lightning Bolt at breakfast. He enjoyed it.
Who's with you?
My nanny and my dad.
Oh, just Nanny and Dad are the only people that went?
No, Kate's dad. No, my mom and my sister.
Oh, your mom and sister are there too?
And my grandpa.
And your grandpa.
Where are they?
Where'd you go for breakfast?
I went to Starwood Cafe.
Cafe
Starwood Cafe. I like the hash browns best.
Okay.
I've been there a million.
All right. Are you done?
We turned out the light. Such a good joke.